Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. It's been a while since we covered preparing for a major update, and with the imminent release of macOS Monterey, I thought now might be a good time to revisit some of the tasks you might want to undertake on your Mac before committing to the upgrade. Now, it's worth noting that there have been some subtle changes with the introduction of Big Sur and the use of bootable backups, but more about that later. Now, the first decision point is always when is the right time to upgrade. You need to ensure that all your applications that you rely on are fully compatible with macOS Monterey, as well as any peripheral devices. Now, this can be problematic as not all developers will go public with the compatibility of their apps in advance of the release. Now, there are some resources available if you want to check things out in advance. For instance, if I go across to Safari, this is an app site called roaringapps.com, and they've started to crowdsource information about the various apps and whether or not they're compatible with Monterey. Now, at the time of recording, we're still quite a few weeks away from the final release, but you can go here and check out what's currently been validated. So you'll see, for instance, here, well, just on this first page, 1Password, this bubble. This oblong bubble means that it's officially supported by the developer. The green bubble in green with a tick means that it's been reported as being compatible by users. And you can, if you want, go ahead and search for your particular applications. For instance, if I'm highly reliant on Pixelmator, you'll see Pixelmator and Pixelmator Pro. Yeah, so there's no information about that as of yet. Now, I think it's fair to say that most sort of top level or top tier Mac apps will be compatible on the day of the release, but it's always best to go ahead and check with the developer's website first before you take the plunge, especially if you're using a niche or perhaps not so well-known app that isn't as well supported. You might need to check that out first before you do go ahead with the upgrade. Now, it might well be that you use your Mac for business or for professional use, in which case I always recommend that you don't upgrade as soon as the new operating system is released. Always wait till at least the first or second point release. And of course, fundamentally, does your Mac support Monterey? You can go across to the Apple website, and this is the preview page. I think if we scroll down, there's some information. Yep, see if your Mac can run macOS Monterey. So late 2015 and later iMacs, 217, iMac Pros and later, etc. So you can check out quite quickly whether or not your devices are supported. Okay, so you've decided that your Mac is supported, you want to go ahead and upgrade to Monterey. What else do you need to do? Well, I'd always recommend that you go in and optimize your machine before you back it up. So let's take a look at optimizing your Mac. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.